Alright guys, in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the new wireless charger for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro Max. I got this from Best Buy. It's pretty cheap. It's for $15. I got two of them. One for a gift and one for myself. So two of them right there. So I think the regular price is $40, but I think I got it on sale for $15, and I think for $15, I think it's not bad at all. This is the Best Buy's house brand, Insignia, for devices with Q wireless charging, 15 watts, power adapter included. I think that's pretty cheap because some of the power adapter you buy alone separate will be about 10-12 bucks already. So, but for this, it's just amazing. So we're gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna see how fast it charge. Okay, I'll probably do like another video on just to see from all of I'll let the phone die out all the way and then charge it up to see how fast it will charge.
Nice phone.
So off the back we got the instruction, the manual, quick setup. I guess it does come with different model as well. This one come with the C at the end. So and inside, just flip it around. And this is it's pretty light if you ask me. I bought one of them from Amazon. It's called Anchor. I think for maybe 12 bucks. And it's just like a little pad. This one seems like a little bit better. It's made in China. Let's take the adapters out. Power adapter. Okay. So that's what it looks like. So here it says output 15 volt, made in China, and I guess this end here you plug it into there. I wonder if it'll light up or not. You can see. Let me see if I can try it. Any other plugs out there that I can? Okay, so the power's plugged in. We're gonna try my iPhone 12. So right now it's 61%. 4 o'clock. Okay, so let's see how far off. See how far off I can push this. So the phone has to be somewhat in the middle. Okay, so the charge pad has to be in between the phone, otherwise it won't charge. So let's say put it on the sideway. It's still charged at an angle like this. Over here, no. That way it won't charge here. So it's pretty much has to be in center for it to charge. Let's try my iPhone XS, no, iPhone Pro Max. Yeah, so this thing, it doesn't light up, or it doesn't give any indicator, any LED, you know, but you place it on there and it's good to charge. You can see it's right there. So I'm gonna do, like, maybe in the next video I'll do one where I actually gonna have one of my phones that completely out, and then I'm gonna start, you know, charging it and see how long it actually takes for this 15 watts charger to charge it. So I have my Apple Watch here, so let's see if it charged the Apple Watch itself. So this one, it doesn't charge the Apple Watch. Oh well, at least it charged the phone. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Quick unboxing of the Insignia wireless from Best Buy, only on sale for $15. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell notifications. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.